The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, power windows, MP3 player, power door locks, trip computer, passenger airbag, child safety locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.